Hi guys, my name is Sachin and welcome to 36 Festival Drive in heart of Alamanda.
Let's go and have a look.
You'll wonder how spacious the living areas are, how many people you can invite and enjoy your evenings here. This modern kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances and waterfall benchtop makes meal preparation a breeze.
Oh, look at the back end, it's 10 meter wide. You can play cricket, footy, volleyball. Look at the big trampoline on the back.
You literally can fix 100 people at the backyard. It's so huge. That's absolutely magnificent, man.
This property is located in the heart of the Alamanda Estate and is just 100 meters away from the Alamanda P9 school.
We can't wait to see you at our next open home. Thank you.